of the first and most anticipated release of the calendar for 2019 is the Samsung Galaxy S10, which we probably see unveiled at the end of Feb during MWC in Barcelona. Even Blast has just shared some details about the device. Blast, aka Evelix, is pretty reliable, so we can likely trust the following information. According to the serial leaker, the Galaxy S10 will come with an Infinity O display. It was shown off at Samsung's developer conference with a range of other options and include, in this case, a punch hole cutout. We have not yet come across that in a phone, so it will be interesting to see how Samsung implements it, especially since the Korean company has avoided any kind of notch up to now. The already futuristic screen will apparently also have an in-display fingerprint scanner similar to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro or OnePlus 60, except Samsung's version will use ultrasonic waves. You can see how that works in the Qualcomm. And some other details shared by Blast included 3 cameras on the rear. The combination is said to be standard wide and telephoto lens, which is probably most people's preferred setup. So good on Samsung if that's true. Unsurprisingly, the Galaxy S10 is also expected to launch with Samsung's new UI over the top of the Android 9 Pie with a new dog theme in tow. Some of these specifications were already floating around the internet a month ago, but they are now have added credibility. More rumors and leaks are sure to arrive in the near future. And he further says that the cutout is not a notch, but they share many of same characteristics, but cutouts can't be hidden in the notification bar. And the Ice Universe also said that the Galaxy S10 will also rock the Infinity O display. Further says that the Infinity O might be exclusive to the Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10 Lite. And here we have some concept renders from the popular concept creator Vinaya Gascan that shows us how the Samsung Galaxy S10 might look like with a new Infinity design display. It's absolutely gorgeous, nothing comes close to the beauty of this. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.